This is the Moons Servo Drive. Pop-up window is the showing connected. No SAM in the motor is okay. Not SAM. After the driver is loading, check the motor number over here. The connectivity drive on the yellow tape. This is CV1 114. So you need to find out in the Sysmax software CV1 14. Connected is the 166. So the enter the ID, because this is the closed loop, you can enter only the ID. Go to the configuration and change the ID from here. What the number is connected is here, CV114. CV114 ID is 166. 166. Go to the motion simulation and servo on and check the direction. Hey, 14 number ni joto કેમ ફરે છે? Now this is the clockwise jog, means motor running is the reverse direction, so you need to change from the configuration. Select the reverse motor. Yeah, it's so it's the okay. So off. So off and 166 enter and click on the download auto drive. Now it's downloading the drivers. Update is changed, so the click the here restart RE, enter RE and press the enter. Now the drive is restarting. She added me and see the loading. So now check again after the restart. Make the servo on. Click the conveyor jog. Now you can see the motor is moving clockwise. Okay, servo off and just plug out the cable from here. Okay, it's done right now. Thank you.